So this is a cool trick to do with speed stacks and then any type of dominoes. I like using these because they're bigger than my wooden ones, as you can see. Let's jump into the trick. Basically what the trick is you have dominoes like this and then you put the speed stack on it. By the way, you can use any type of cup. I just like using speed stacks. Then once you balance it on, and then if you hit it, it'll roll across. It'll go a long way, actually. And so if you do multiple of those, then you can set off a chain reaction. So like boom, 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 like that, okay? So the first step is to just place any old domino down and then place a speed stack on it. So I've placed that speed stack on. Now this will, I'm probably going to place another one right here because I see that the thin side's there, so it'll roll like that. So I'll place another domino right there. And then this time I'm going to angle the speed stack like that so it'll go back this way. Okay, there we go, got it. Then I'll place another one right here. Okay. And then this one, I think I'll go like that. Okay. Oh, dang. Okay, so I have placed 5 down, and now what I'm going to do is just get some dominoes, and then you're gonna want to probably make a domino line at the end. So you can actually start the domino line like over here. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, so let's topple it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, no way! Oh, dang, that one didn't work. Oh, I see what I did wrong. I angled this the wrong way. It should have been angled like that. So then, there we go. Oh, no way. Okay. Well, I really need to work at this. Oh well, okay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.